Multiple time frames in Forex trading market. Multiple time frames in the Forex trading market allow you to see how an asset's price has behaved over different time periods. Multi-time frame analysis is the process of looking at the same currency pair over different time frames. The larger time frame usually establishes a longer-term trend, while the shorter time frame is used to spot opportunities for big moves. Check out our website www.forexsystem.com for more information. It's hard to say what time frame is best for Forex trading, as it really depends on the trader's goals and preferred trading style. People who trade currencies professionally are often different from those who are beginners. They are used to trading on a longer time frame and might find the 1-hour charts ideal for their strategy. The trade signals on these charts can be both infrequent and abundant, which is what they need in order to avoid any false signals that might cause them to start or stop an investment too. With our multiple time frame analysis tools, you can see the price action for different time frames like 4 hours or 1 hour. You can also compare one time frame to another and view the statistics for each. Multiple time frame analysis involves monitoring the same currency pair across different frequencies, or time compressions. While there is no real limit as to how many frequencies can be monitored or which specific ones to choose, there are general guidelines that most practitioners will follow. Multiple time frame analysis can be a great deal of help when it comes to understanding the state of the market today. It allows you to get a feel for how things have changed over time and also predict how they will change in the future. Trying to analyze multiple time frames can give you a high chance of successful trade. Analyzing longer-term charts may not just tell you when, but also why the market is moving in that direction. How to identify the best Forex trading time frame. How to identify the best Forex trading time frame. Forex trading is an international market where traders can buy or sell global currencies. A good trading strategy is essential for success in the Forex market. Multiple time frame is a must-have. Forex tool is a great time frame analysis software with sets of indicators to identify the best time frame. There are a lot of traders asking how to find the best time frame to trade Forex on. In general, traders should select a suitable time frame that matches their own skill set and trading objectives. When to trade. When deciding what time frame to trade in depends on your goals, the number of indicators you are using, and what time frame they predict. For example, if you're only able to spend an hour each day analyzing the Forex market, you should use time frames of daily duration to limit analysis. 1-hour chart for the entry trigger. Those with more time to adopt can allow you to focus more on your business and react quickly to any opportunities that arise in the market. Strategy analysis of multiple time frame trends. For day traders, the market is always open and you can trade with really short time frames. 1 minute, 15 minute, or 1 hour time frames are used by day traders during their calculations. Trading setups identified on the 1-hour chart can be scrutinized on the 15-minute chart before an entry is executed. Trend time frame, 1-hour chart. Day traders can spot the trend of the market by looking at the 1-hour chart. Prices are mainly trading above the 200 MA, which indicates that long positions should be taken. Day traders can then zoom into the 15-minute chart to spot ideal entries. Day traders can then zoom into the 4-hour chart to spot ideal entries. Settle in for a deep dive into time frame analysis techniques. Swing traders don't have as much time on their hands to look at charts, so they'll make sure to check the daily price trend and then zoom in for a clearer point of view. Trend, daily. Bust let you spot the downtrend, but where is the ideal entry point? Zooming in into 4 hours frame better highlights this problem. Zooming into the 4-hour chart, traders can look for short signals. The upper and lower channel lines are faintly dotted to keep the chart clear after a failed breakout attempt. After the price dropped back within the trading range, it should be noted that it's likely not due to low volatility or sentiment. Prices are below both the 100-day and 200-day EMAs, providing a bearish crossover as the 50-DMA, blue line, crosses below the 20-DMA, green line, providing our entry trigger. Visit our new YouTube channel, Team with Irving. Multiple timeframes and Forex is free to join. Get comfortable with changing chart timeframes by viewing our Team with Irving live charts on YouTube. Make sure to subscribe, and hit the bell notification. Multiple time frame analysis can only be utilized once the desired market has been chosen. Team with Irving can help with this. Learn how many traders around the world are using our multiple time frame systems. Check out our website www.forexsystem.com to identify suitable markets. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Is free. You heard that, is absolutely free. Let's get these hundreds and hundreds of pips on Forex Trading Live.